color, typography plays a huge role in design, and it's a key component of the look and feel you create. Learning the ins and outs of typography is much more than just choosing a style that fits your design. Typography can be as complex as any work of art. In fact, some designers love it so much that they specialize as typeface designers. But today, we're going to keep it fairly simple and give you an overview of some of the main kinds of typefaces you'll encounter and some core concepts that you need to know. First, let me clarify one thing. You've probably heard the words typeface and font used interchangeably, but they're really two different things. A typeface means the design of a collection of letter forms, basically the way the letters, numbers, and symbols look. Georgia, Helvetica, and Verdana are all typefaces. A font is the digital file that contains the typeface and displays it on your screen. For example, Georgia Italic 12-point and Helvetica Bold 16-point are both fonts. Think of it this way. If the typeface is a song, then the font would be the MP3 file that stores it. The typefaces you choose will strongly influence the look and feel of your design. And two of the most important things to keep in mind when choosing typefaces are personality and legibility. Some are better for headlines, others are best suited to big blocks of text, and still others are great for fancy embellishments. Let's go over some of the most common typefaces. Serif typefaces have serifs, or little feet, that poke out at the edges of the letters. Those little feet create a subtle visual connection between the letters, so they're often used for paragraphs and larger works. You'll see them on blogs, newspapers, books, ebooks, anywhere you find big blocks of text. Sans serif typefaces are basically serifs minus the feet. Sans serifs are usually clean, geometric, and easy to read regardless of size. You'll see them used for headlines, captions, and short descriptive texts. Display typefaces have a lot of personality. You know that friend you have who always shows up with the most elaborate, creative outfit for the costume party? That would be your display typeface. Displays are perfect for adding some flair or extra oomph in your design, but they should be used sparingly. I don't know about you, but I wouldn't want to read an entire paragraph set in a graffiti-style typeface. But it sure would catch my eye as a headline. And finally, script typefaces are exactly what they sound like. They create a fancy handwritten effect with lots of swoops, loops, and curls. You'll see them on logos, large headlines, and on little details that create a nice handmade touch. So, did you get all that? Never fear, we'll go over it all in more detail and you'll get plenty of opportunities to practice.